What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Roolznft token. Ticker symbol is GODL. Now this token is getting listed on a bunch of very big central exchanges, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. 713,000 Twitter followers at Roolznft. Gold verified checkmark. 1,712 tweets so far. It says play and collect. They have the Telegram bot link right there. Roolz anime games. Number 10 NFT and the GODL token on the TON blockchain and Telegram, and they have a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go there. Now this token is being listed on Gate, Qcoin, and it was just announced MEXC Global. So they have a countdown on their webpage here. It says 7 days before token generation event. So it's not live yet, and I saw on Twitter that it was just announced here. So it says MEXC Global new listing alert. The GODL token will be listed in the Innovation Zone November 7th, 12 o'clock UTC time. Roolznft combines the fast-growing anime market with short-form mobile videos and apps on TON and Telegram. So this token here, if you're looking to get it and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section November 11th and search GODL and then simply just buy the token. Now, Roolz is the first IP of the Roolz Studio Incorporated and is one of the first projects completely built on the TON blockchain. Roolz is a decentralized Web3 consumer app ecosystem integrating NFTs, mini games, short stories, short-form anime series, and more on Telegram. Launched on February 2024, the NFT collection quickly became number 10 of all time on Get Gems, of which 5,000 NFTs were staked. The Roolz Quest bot, enabling the community to engage and participate in the ecosystem, has 400,000 DAU and 8 million MAU. The first minigame was released in June 2024 and has 400,000 daily active users. The second minigame will be released later this year. Roolz Anime has been released in August 2024, distributed on all official social media channels, and has 21 short-form episodes alongside cool short stories. Across the channel, Roolz has over 7 million subscribers and followers. Now, the token release is set for the second half of 2024, and more information can be found in the tokenomics. So, Roolz adheres to the principles of fairness, transparency, and decentralization. It has strong partnerships with Notcoin and TON Starter as partners and advisories. Other partnerships are with Citizen, Redo, Ton Play, Ston.Fi, Jeton, and Whale. And those are all Ton projects, very big Ton projects. So entertainment is changing from long form to short form, from one-dimensional, you watch and that's it, to fully integrated where you can collect, earn, share, and play with the content that Roolz Studio is producing. A new model where community and fan participation is rewarded, and together we can disrupt the current entertainment model. Roolz is set in a universe akin to ours, but different. In the near future where humanity has lost its way, forces at play will change the universe, and the identities and roles of these forces will be revealed over time. Balance is the ultimate goal. Without darkness, there is no recognition of light. Roolz envisions a better world where all can live better lives. So the vision of Roolz is to pioneer the future of decentralized digital experiences through the power of Web3, fostering a vibrant and engaged community. By allowing for community and fan participation, Roolz is able to amass a large following on all social accounts, which allows for wider distribution of its content and more ways to monetize its content pieces. So Roolzians can own items from the series, play games, participate in sharing for rewards, and eventually decide on which content we as a studio need to produce. So they have here the token. It's the governance token. Godl is the governance and utility token for the ecosystem. Godl is the ticker for governance, staking rewards, and play to earn mechanics. It can be used to influence the outcome of the anime sponsor Roolz episodes or in-app, or decide the future content to be produced. Roolz Studio is exploring legal ways to use the token to reward participants in the ecosystem. So some of the utility for the token would be access to services, governance, staking, and in-game utility. Now they have here the distribution. Basically, we got 10% going to liquidity and launch pools, 20% to contributors, 12% to institutional investors, 8% goes to IP partnerships and advisors, 13% airdrop, 12% community sale, and 25% ecosystem growth fund. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.